I know Gary Jackson well, and I've known him since we were, teenagers. Gary then and Gary now is still one of the nicest, if not the nicest person I've ever met. He's the most determined person I've ever met too. He's determined. He's always determined to try to find the right thing to do.
Gary is not just interested in the welfare of African Americans. Gary has always been interested in improving the condition of those who are marginalized in our society.
I was in the public defender's office. He was a district attorney. And I saw the kind of person he was starting then, his dedication to the practice, his quest for justice, and his real desire to be fair.
My name is Gary Monroe Jackson. I have been a trial lawyer and a judge for 51 years. The first day on campus, I met Sonny Flowers, who's actually on the Hill.
Gary and Sonny had a unique relationship. They were more than best friends. They were more than two lawyers who knew each other.
Sonny thought the world of Gary. I mean, there's no blood between them, but they were blood brothers. There's no question about it.
I was introduced to his mother. His mother had a law degree. Within a month or two, I met Sonny's dad. He was a civil rights lawyer. Meeting the two of them impressed me to the degree that I changed my major from wanting to be an engineer to wanting to be a lawyer.
I mean, their concern was always the betterment of society. Gary was not just a person who gets together and meets with people, but he moves people to action.
He was always troubled. And instead of complaining, well, there's not enough judges of color, there's not enough women judges, what does he do? He helps to form committees. He leads the charge forward.
What I find challenging is what I consider to be the status quo in the profession, or within the profession, the resistance to change. The very first job, Denver DA. Being the only black, same thing. U.S. Attorney's Office, being the only black federal prosecutor.
He went to the district attorney's office, to the United States Attorney's Office, and he could make a difference. He wanted people to see in the justice system that it can work for you.
To me, that's a part of the change. To work in a fashion that I can be a role model to others and to demonstrate my abilities, my competencies, so that others would follow after me.
I can't say enough good things about Gary. What an attribute to our profession, to the legal profession. He has been and continues to be. Congratulations, Gary. This is so well deserved.